You're welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two social media tools platform, which is Loomly and Blaze. So let's quickly dive into it to decide which of these social media tools can be a game changer for you. So let's dive into it. So talking about Loomly, Loomly is great for teams who want simple scheduling and post review and built-in collaboration. It's organized, beginner-friendly, and perfect for planning across platforms. However, it can feel pricey for small teams, and its analytics and Instagram integration aren't as strong as the top-tier competitors. Talking about Blaze, on the other hand, focused on AI-powered content creation, ideas for users who want quick automated post ideas and visual. It's fast and creative, but lacks deep customization, and its support and reliability can be inconsistent sometimes. So in my conclusion, Loomly is still better for structured social media management, while Blaze AI shine for fast AI-driven content. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.